Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically use AI to generate stickers on CapCut PC. So to do that, you are going to go to the stickers tab here, go to AI generated, and you're just going to describe the sticker you want to generate. I'm just going to type in retro colorful flower, for instance. Or actually, I'm just going to type in flower, it's fine. Then I'm going to select adjust, and you're going to select the style that you want. I want like a collage style. Then I'm going to select generate, and it's going to generate that kind of sticker. And it does take a few minutes, so I'll be right back when it's finished. I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back with the finished sticker. I'm just going to place it inside the what's it called? The like timeline. And they give you a few options here, but you can even adjust it a little bit more. Maybe you don't like that style. I'm just going to maybe select pixel instead and generate. You can do that. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Don't really think this style matches this, but I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!